Hello, Pookie Bear.
Thinking he is serious. Hello, Bluebird. Didn't expect that.
What did you call me?
Bluebird, because you're blue.
Oh, so you see me as a bird.
I don't actually see you as a bird.
Oh, well, what do you see me as?
Oh, I see you as the moon.
The moon, eh? Why?
Because you shine brighter than the stars.
Well, basically, I am blue, so that makes me the moon and you're the sun. We're the same thing, right?
Actually, the moon and the sun are not the same thing.
Why? I knew that. I knew that all along.